Example 5, under the sum of the first n terms of an AP is in the manner that we are given the first term has 100 and the common difference -4, and the question is find the sum of the first 18 terms. We know the formula. There are two formulas, and I'm using the first one for the first 5 examples. Therefore, in the 6th example, that is the next example 6, I will use the second method or the formula of the sum. The first formula is that the sum of the first n terms is given by n out of 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d close. So we collect our data. We are given the first term a as 100, the common difference d as -4, and then the number of terms is 18. So we substitute for these values accordingly. So the sum of the first 18 terms, because our n is 18, so S18 becomes n is 18, the formula says over 2, into 2 times a is 100, plus n, which is 18, minus 1, times d, which is a -4, and then you close. Now from here, we simplify using a calculator. What is 18 divided by 2? We shall have 9 into 2 times 100, we get 200, plus 18 minus 1, 17. 17 times -4, -68. So we shall have plus -68. Yes. And then we continue, we shall have 9 into what is 200 plus -68? When getting positive 132, you should be able to get that. It becomes a smaller positive. And then we multiply by 9. 132 times 9. I'm getting 1188. This is 1188. So the sum of the first 8 terms of an AP defined by the first term 100 and the common difference -4 is sum of 18 terms is simply 1188, and this is the solution for example 5. In the first 5 examples, as I told you, I have been using this formula of getting the sum, but in the next examples, that is from example 6 to example 10, I will be using the formula where we have the last term, that is the sum of n terms is n out of 2 into the first term a plus the last term l. So it is important for you to know how to use the two formulas of the sum. Otherwise, thank you for following, and this is Vision Plus.